Hello guys, welcome to your channel Educational Plaza. Today I am going to discuss about history class 8 question answers chapter 8 यानी history first lesson the modern period DAV school social science book. The modern period, that is basically the main topic is sources of information about the British period. In this video I will discuss exercise questions part A, part B, part C, part D. All four parts I will discuss. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. Please press the bell icon so that you can get notification continuously, regularly regarding the new activities on channel and upload of the videos. You also press the like button if you find the video useful. Give your comment and share it. Let us start with first part. Here you can see first part, that you can see here. Modern period of Indian history began with modern period began with 18th century. Right option is 18th century. Then is next question. I will move towards second question, that here you can see the call you give me blood I will give you freedom. Who gave दिस स्लोगन? ये स्लोगन किसने दिया? तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. अब सबको याद है, दिस स्लोगन वाज गिवन बाय सुभाष चंद्र बोस. ऑप्शन ए. इन विच लैंग्वेज वाज द न्यूज़पेपर केसरी पब्लिश्ड? केसरी किस भाषा में पब्लिश हुआ? बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी का यह न्यूज़पेपर मराठी लैंग्वेज में. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज ए मेजर फैक्टर इन स्ट्रेंथनिंग द नेशनल मूवमेंट? नेशनल मूवमेंट इंडिया का जो मजबूत हुआ वो किस कारण से हुआ? बिकॉज बी ऑप्शन इज द राइट आंसर. डिसकंटेंटमेंट मीन्स डिससेटिस्फैक्शन among the mass means people of India against the British rule. Colonial power means British rule. So right answer is B. The book Unhappy Indian was written by? It was written by Lala Lajpat Rai. So right answer is option C. Dear students, moving to next part. Here it is also 4-5 questions. Now fill in the blanks here. As first fill in the blanks is land revenue settlement are an important source of. Here will be information. Collection of Gandhi's writings has been preserved and displayed at Gandhi Smriti near Rajghat, New Delhi. The Indian National Congress was established in 1885. The revolt of 1857 was ruthlessly suppressed by British Army. The dash reforms were introduced in 1909. That is Morley Minto reforms. You will see its answer here. In this part you can see answer to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks का आंसर आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं. पहला का first answer is information. First is here information. Second is Gandhi Smriti near Rajghat, New Delhi. Third will be 1885. Fourth will be the British. And fifth will be the Morley Minto reforms. So these are the 5 terms which could be used to fill the blanks. Now I am moving towards next part, C part, match the following. Match the following में matching हम लोग देखेंगे. This part we will see the matching. Here it is the question, match the following, and here we can see this Amrit Bazar Patrika. It was in Bengali language. Then next is My Experiment with the Truth. It is the name of the book, you remember, written by Mahatma Gandhi. Simon Commission Report. Simon Commission Report was published in 1929. Next is Transfer of Power to British Crown. British Crown को पावर कैसे ट्रांसफ़र हुआ, किसके बाद? 1857 रिवॉल्ट के बाद. तो दैट इज़ 1858 में. फ्रीडम इज़ आवर बर्थ राइट. हु गेव दिस स्लोगन? This slogan was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So these are the 5 colors used for matching. Moving to D part question answer. Here is D1. What type of information do we get from official record? ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड से हमें किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है? तो ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड गिव अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट कंडीशन ऑफ पीपल एज वेल एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ दैट टाइम. उसमें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की क्या हालत थी, लोगों की हालत थी. तो बहुत सारे एक्ट, बहुत सारे बिल्स जो पार्लियामेंट से पास हुए थे, ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट से, दे आर स्टिल केप्ट इन ऑफिस. तो दोज आर द ब्रिटिश डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच आर गिविंग अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस. Moving to D2. Here you can see D2. How do letters, writings and speeches provide information? Give example. ये कैसे हमें information provide करता है? तो letters, writings, speeches provide us information about development that took place. It will be took place during a particular period. उस समय में क्या डेवलपमेंट हुआ. जैसे गांधी जी के जितने भी लेटर्स हैं वो सब गांधी स्मृति नियर राजघाट न्यू दिल्ली में रखा हुआ है म्यूज़ियम में, जो गांधी जी के लाइफ पर सबसे बड़ा म्यूज़ियम है दुनिया का. इट प्रोवाइड अस मैनी इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया. सो दिस वी हैव फिनिश्ड क्वेश्चन दिस. नाउ वी विल मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 यू कैन सी. Mention any 5 major events that related to freedom struggle of India. इंडिया का 5 ऐसे तो बहुत सारे इवेंट है, लेकिन सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट इज पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल 1905, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, होम रूल लीग, देन जालियांवाला बाग मैसेकर टुक प्लेस ऑन 13 अप्रैल 1919, देन फर्स्ट मास मूवमेंट, सेकेंड मास मूवमेंट एंड थर्ड मास मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड बाय महात्मा गांधी during freedom struggle. So these are here some of the important events. You can also write some more, some others, no problem. Moving to question number 4. Question number 4 is here. As you can see here, question number 4. Explain any 5 major sources of information about modern Indian history. तो जितने भी sources हैं, British documents, then books written by, then letters, writing, speech, newspapers like the London Times, the Bombay Times, Bal Gangadhar Tilak's newspaper Kesari in Marathi language, then administrative reports of the government, then information we are getting from internet world, old buildings which were constructed during British time and still they are present. So these are some of the important sources of information which are giving us information about British period. Students, generally 2 marks, 1 marks question is asked from this chapter. So mostly objective question will be asked from this chapter. So you remember these things, the name of the book, writers, books, then buildings constructed during this period, then the slogans, then these sources of information, the newspapers. These are very important. Now moving to last part, that is question number 5. And here question number 5 you can see. Enumerate the steps taken by the East India Company. East India Company ने अपनी शासन मजबूत करने के लिए to consolidate its hold in India, what steps were taken by it and how did the rule of East India Company came to an end. भारत में ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का शासन कैसे खत्म हुआ. द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, जानते हैं बिजनेस कंपनी था, टुक मेनी स्टेप्स टू इस्टेब्लिश देयर रूल होल्ड इन इंडिया. लाइक दे टुक हेल्प ऑफ मिलिट्री, यानी मिलिट्री एक्शन के सहारे. दे इंट्रोड्यूस रेलवेज फॉर देयर ओन बेनिफिट बट इनडायरेक्टली इंडियन गॉट बेनिफिट. पोस्टल सर्विसेज दे वेयर स्टार्टेड बाय ब्रिटिश. British also passed different acts, Government of India Act 1919, 1909, 1935, etc. Many bills were passed. Then British also crushed suppressed the revolt of 1857. आफ्टर द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857, रिवॉल्ट 1857 में जब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के खिलाफ विद्रोह हुआ तो उसके बाद से अंग्रेज़ी हुकूमत को पता चल गया कि ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से लोग खुश नहीं हैं, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी शासन करने में सफल नहीं हो पाएगा, इट इज़ नॉट एबल टू रूल कंट्रोल ओवर इंडिया. सो आफ्टर 1857 रिवॉल्ट, फ्रॉम 1858 द रूल ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ended. India went directly into the hands of British Crown. भारत का शासन डायरेक्टली ब्रिटिश राजा महाराजा के हाथ में आप पहुंच गया. डायरेक्टली वेंट इनटू द हैंड ऑफ ब्रिटिश क्राउन, king and queen, British crown. So this way students, I have explained all the 5 questions of D part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A, B, C, D, all 5 parts, 4 parts completed. I hope this video will help you in preparation of your exam, but I advise you, you must go through your textbook, because in textbook there are so many objective, so many topics which can be asked as objective questions. I will also provide you 100 or near about 50 objective questions based on chapter 8 in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you find the video useful, please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, like it. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.